In this video, we are discussing 8th standard work education important one-word question and answer. First question. What is the name of the material used to protect the edge of the office file? Answer, calico. Second question. Write an example of a bio-waste. Answer, food waste. Third question. Which chemical gives color to kind product? Answer, rhodamine. Fourth question. Write the name of a biopesticide. Answer, tobacco decoction. Fifth question. What are the secondary colors obtained by mixing equal amount of primary colors, blue and yellow? Answer, green. Seventh question. What is the complete form of deep oil used for making agarbatti? Answer, diethyl phthalate. Eighth question. What is the name of the device used to protect building from lightning? Answer, lightning conductor. Ninth question. Which is an element that lost when vegetables are overcooked? Answer, vitamins. 10th question. The stick used for making agarbatti is taken from which plant? Answer, bamboo. 11th question. Which vitamin is present in lemon? Answer, vitamin C. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos, please find other videos from this channel.